Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. My greatest love, my greatest pain. I'm 20 years old female and my ex is 23 years old male. We started dating way back 2021. It was a long distance relationship, though we sometimes meet and nagde-date sa malls. I broke up with him via Messenger in 2023 because, like George in The House of Us, pagod na pagod na pagod na ako. In our almost 3-year relationship, I can say he was faithful, but I cried almost every day and night because he could not even provide the bare minimum. He was always busy with work. I couldn't sleep properly from overthinking and questioning my worth until I was completely drained. I gave up, even though I loved him very much. I know I deserved better. I'm now 24 in a relationship with a 23-year-old man. He's the best person I've ever met. He loves me very much, and I love him too. But one day, there was an event in my area, and I heard from my cousins that my ex was there. I don't know why, but I felt incredibly nervous, and suddenly all the memories, all the pain came back. Since we never had a proper in person closure, I took the opportunity to talk to him and got our closure. At first, he did not want to see or talk to me, but I begged him because I just wanted answers to the questions that had been on my mind for a long time. We talked, and in that moment, we talked like friends who had not seen each other in a long time. We laughed, we resented each other, we had regrets, we cried, and we both knew we still loved each other. But we couldn't fix what had been done. Now, we both found happiness in our new relationships. After that night, I could not stop thinking about him and my love for him. I asked him one last time if he truly loved me, and he said yes. I learned that while he was busy with work, he was saving money to propose and marry me, hopefully in 2025. He also said, "Do you know that all I was thinking about then was how to save up and marry you? I dreamed of you being my wife and the mother of my children. But the day I asked if you were willing to marry me someday, you said, pagod na pagod ka na." I cried and realized that what they say is true. Your greatest love can be your greatest pain. Kailangan ko bang sabihin sa boyfriend ko o manahimik na lang ako?